How to stay focused in marriage. 1. Set priorities and communicate them with your spouse. It is important to discuss your individual and collective priorities, and make sure you are aligned with each other. 2. Establish clear boundaries. Set limits on distractions, such as work, friends, or technology, to help you stay focused on your relationship. 3. Practice active listening. Pay attention to what your spouse is saying, and show that you are engaged in the conversation. 4. Make time for each other. Set aside quality time to spend with your spouse, whether it's a date night, a weekend getaway, or just a few minutes of quiet time together each day. 5. Show gratitude and appreciation. Express your gratitude and appreciation for your spouse, and make an effort to notice and appreciate their strengths and contributions. 6. Keep the romance alive. Make an effort to keep the romance and excitement in your relationship alive, whether it's through small gestures or grand romantic gestures. 7. Be open and honest. Encourage open and honest communication in your relationship, and work together to resolve conflicts and misunderstandings. 8. Seek help when needed. Don't be afraid to reach out for help if you need it, whether it's through therapy, counseling, or support groups. 9. Practice forgiveness. Forgive your spouse for their mistakes, and work together to build trust and deepen your relationship. 10. Stay positive and focus on the good. Focus on the positive aspects of your relationship, and cultivate an attitude of gratitude for your spouse and your relationship. In conclusion, staying focused in a marriage requires effort and commitment from both partners. By setting priorities, establishing clear boundaries, practicing active listening, making time for each other, showing gratitude and appreciation, keeping the romance alive, being open and honest, seeking help when needed, practicing forgiveness, and staying positive and focusing on the good, you can strengthen your relationship and maintain a deep and meaningful connection with your spouse.